Hey guys, it's Sadie, and if you're watching this video now, it probably means that you just purchased my iOS 14 icon pack. This I'm just obsessed with. This is so on brand for me. I'll obviously have it on my phone right now. I'm just so proud of these cute little icons, widgets, and wallpapers. And if you bought it, thank you so much. It supports me so much, and it's just so cool to know that a lot of you have the apps on your phone that I created. Like, that's just insane. This is gonna be a little tutorial on how to put the app icons on each app and put in the little widgets. I'm obsessed. So let's get right on into this screen recording. Here is my screen right now. I have the My Best Day Start Now widget, which you guys can get from this pack. And then I have all of these different icons. There are so many more than this, but these are just the ones that I usually use most often. Soft, blush, color palettes, very minimal, but I have these 3D icons, which I thought was very, very different. I've never really seen anywhere else. You guys are all gonna get separate images of each icon photo. There are so many, and there's also one that if, say, I didn't make one for your specific app, there's like a little winky face that is right on like the second bottom line that you can use on any app of your choice, just if you didn't want to like ruin the theme. I even have a little diabetes app. I have a little Starbucks one. What you're gonna do is you're going to get all the photos for every single app sent to you. Then you're just gonna save that to your library. Then you're going to open up the shortcuts app. Right now I have 59 shortcuts. That is a lot. So then you're gonna press plus at the top and add action. And at the top you're going to type in open app. Press on open app and choose which app you're going to want to open. I'm going to do, let's say, Weather Network. Then you click the 3 dots at the top and just type in whatever name here. This isn't what's actually gonna show up on your screen. I'm just gonna say weather. Then you press add to home screen. This is the actual name that's going to show up on your screen. So what I did is I wrote them all in lowercase letters. I just find that a lot more aesthetically pleasing, but you can do like all caps or spaced out or something, but I'm just gonna write weather. Click the little icon that's next to it and choose photo. I actually do have a little weather icon, so here's a little sneak peek of all the ones that you can do. I'm obsessed with little Uber Eats one. Music, I have little headphones. FaceTime, I have a cute little like camera. I'm gonna choose the weather one, which is just a little cloud and a cute little sun. Press add, done. It's now added to my home screen. If I go there, oh, it's right there. It's just so cute and minimal. Now I'm going to show you how to add these little widgets. I believe I have 5 widgets that you can pick from. They're all either my own photos or little quotes that I've made or just some aesthetically pleasing things to spice up your screen. So you just have to get the app Widgetsmith. It's free on the App Store. So I'm going to go to Widgetsmith and you can choose if you want a small, medium, or large widget. So I'm going to do a medium widget, add medium widget right here, medium number 8. So memorize that it's widget medium number 8. Press default widget and then scroll down all the way to the photo and then click select photo. Right now I'm going to choose the black and white little palm tree thing. That's the selected photo. Just get out of that, press save, press and hold on your screen so all of the apps are jiggling. Press the plus at the top and go to Widgetsmith. Scroll to the left because we had a medium widget, press add widget, and it's just gonna come up with some random one, which the ones that I find look really, really good with this are like gray, white, and the blushy mauvey pink tone. So if you wanted to make that calendar that style, definitely go ahead and do that. Because you don't want this one, you're going to press and hold and go to edit widget, press medium number 8. I feel like it would look better there. Yes, that looks so, so good. It is just so aesthetically pleasing to log into your phone and see that. And there's also this exact same background, but in a pink version. It's kind of like a marbly, cloudy, very minimal background. So that is about it on this tutorial on how to use my iOS 14 icon packs. Let me know down below which app is your favorite. I tried to make them as cute as possible. I'm so excited this is finally released. And let me know if you'd want a second pack, because I'd definitely be down to do that for you. If you want to purchase this and you're seeing this before that you have even checked out the website, definitely click down below and they are all on my Teespring page. I made them as affordable as possible, literally the cheapest price that I could have picked without losing money. Thank you so much for watching and for even checking out the website. I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next regular video. Bye.